Hi, in this video we will look at the following main character. I used to be spanked when I was a child. My mom used this long wooden cooking spoon that stung just perfectly. I've heard that some parents prefer slippers. I get it, it's portable, it's highly accessible whenever you need it. Spanking can be an effective way to discipline a child at an age when reasoning just doesn't work. However, it is important to discipline your child out of love and not punish them out of anger or frustration. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts a hand holding a stick. This is how the character looks today. This character means hand, and now it's holding a stick. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? This character means strike. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. Can you see the main character? The character on the left means direction. When you're setting an animal free, you might strike it to make it run in any direction. This character means release. It is used in these words, fāng xin, which means set one's mind to rest, and fāng jia, which means have a holiday or vacation. Let's see another character. Now the character on the left means self. If you want to change yourself and grow, you need a little bit of self-discipline. No pain, no gain. This character means change. It is used in these words, 改变, which means change, and 改革, which means reformation. On to the next character. The character on the left means filial piety. Changing and learning requires discipline, and so does teaching. When a child does something wrong, it is up to the parent to give the right amount of discipline to teach a lesson. This character means teach. It is used in this phrase. Can you find the character for teach? This phrase literally translated means, I teach her ride self-go cart. In other words, I taught her to ride a bicycle. Here's the last character. The two characters on the left literally means 20 and meat. It can be understood to mean a bunch of animals. If you have a bunch of animals and strike them with a stick, they will all disperse. This character means disperse. It is used in this word, 散步, which means take a walk. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.